Nigeria army don't come outside though. Contour say one of the Biafra Liberation Army camp wey dey for also. He say they don't take over that place. No be small thing o. Now I come say where this one dey happen. Now so they come carry one video, come outside, come show me. Now I say here, I say I go bring am come outside. Make my people look am, tell us wetin they think. But however, as that one dey happen, they say that the Biafra government in exile is about to bring out wetin they call Biafra coin, wey be digital currency. He say Biafra coin. He say this Biafra coin now go enter market inside next week. Oh, this one they happen as we dey talking about. But however, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time we dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. See they here they bring update back to back as it dey hot. My wonderful people, as it dey shallow, and now we say more bring am come show our people make they know wetin dey go on. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria army say they don't take over one Biafra camp wey dey for place where they call. So now come say wetin come happen. They come bring us some clothes, come bring some pipe, and come bring some many things put for the matter. So now wetin they collect, wetin they collect for the Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighters. However, I go play you the video, may you watch, and before I come back, continue. We'll get a lot of story to hear today.
In line with its resolve to keep the state safe and devoid of criminality, the Imo State Police operatives, especially the tactical unit of the anti-kidnapping, in collaboration with the Nigerian Army and the Navy, as well as the Air Force, has been able to dislodge the IPOB ESN dissidents who took over the AK-22 market. This market used to be one of the major sources of income for members of this community, but then it was taken over by these dissidents who are hell-bent on disrupting the peace of the state. Part of their major crime was to snatch assorted vehicles from their owners at gunpoint. Also, they engage in kidnapping as well as attack on police on daily basis. Their explosives, which they use to launch deadly attack at security operatives, were also recovered. Trucks such as these ones too were recovered as well, and various charms were also recovered from them. The operation was a successful one, as many military uniforms they used were also recovered. The CCTV cameras they mounted to monitor oncoming security agencies was also recovered, including their pamphlets of Biafra national anthem. Rifles were also recovered from the scene, as well as dangerous substances such as Indian arms. We will be bringing you more details of these operations and successes as things unravel. Thank you for watching. Do well to share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you and bye for now.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. No be smart, you know, as you don't watch that video, but you got another video where I want show you where the people where they call for Nani herdsmen don't take over one community where they for inside north. And these people, Nigeria army carry their all this kind of motorway they see come. But you see the way they overpower those people. As in, I will show you the video, but I'm not going to show you the full video. So this one now for north, it happen. And now people video and post, so they no go come outside though, come show this particular side. They no go carry the whole army where they Nigeria go that area. But anything concerning Biafra, they want bring out so many things. Say, they don't capture them, they don't do this, they don't do this. Fine, but what of the one in the north? How fast are you people? This car where they see here, where get her. Now juju moto be that oh. But however, let me play this particular video. This one they happen for not currently. My people, yeah, this is the video that I'm talking about. And that motorway they see there, and Nigeria army motor. There's another one will be like this one where they see for picture. But that one, they born yata. That one now, nobody did there too. That one don't go. So now which people do am? na Funani na dem do am. But you no go see them carry this force wey dey take dey enter inside southeast dey go that place. I no talk say anybody wey use this uniform thief make una no catch them. Anybody wey use am dey do bad thing say make una no catch them. If they use am kidnap, catch the person. But wetin I dey ask na why are they using this force in southeast? Why are they not using it in the north, where everything dey happen? However, as that one dey happen, let us jump into the next matter wey we get for our hand. They say that the Biafra government in exile want to release what they call Biafra coin, and this one is coming from Simon Ekpa. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue.
So much. Thank you. And Madam Erewa, Oya.
Okay. Well, I can ask a question, so I'll go on to vote. So I support. Huh?
What is your question?
Oh, thank you. I'm hearing digital coin, then another is saying currency, then I don't know, there's crypto. So are they the same or are they different?
They are the same. Digital coins or digital currency, it is the same.
And crypto, all are the same.
It is not crypto, it is Biafra coin. Biafra coin is under crypto.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
And also, let me also make it clear that this evening we will also vote and adopt the usage of Biafra coin in donation.
Okay.
We will approve it. As soon as it's ready, everybody will register to use the Biafra coin for donation.
Hi, Madam Annie Redwoodrich, Josephine Erewa. I support the establishment of Biafra digital coin.
Currency.
Oh, okay, currency, which is also at 04/2024. I fully support it, and I thank you very much. I'll go vote now.
Thank you. All right, I'm presenting to the government cabinet the specimen feature of the Biafra coin, which I am moving a motion for the adoption of this particular coin, and let this coin be the official digital currency of Biafra with the sign of do you know what is it called? Our old money. What is it called?
Egibwe.
Yeah, but there is a name.
CBD.
There is a name for it.
No, I know the name.
Pence.
A pound.
It was called Biafra pound during the First War.
They call it to pence.
Last Biafra money can I grab back the origin. The sign.
The origin. It is called.
It's called Ezego.
It is called Manila. Okay. It is called Manila.
Manila.
Yes.
Manila, the Philippines. No, Maniba.
Manila, the Philippines. It is called Manila. This sign, Rafael, can you show this on the screen as well? I'm sending it to you. Rafael, flash this in what I sent to you now on the screen, please.
Yeah, I'm doing that, sir. A minute.
Yes.
You all remember it now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I know. I was thinking in CBD or something.
The Igbo name is Ejima.
Ejema.
Yes.
Ejema. Yeah.
Ejema. Yes.
Ejema. Exactly.
Yes.
All right. So this is the money. This is Biafra money, old money of Biafra.
Yes.
Now we are having. Can you go back to the coin, please? Now, as you see, there is 2 lines on it, and this has become the, what is it called? Is it the denomination or something? What is it called? What is the sign of the money, like Naira, Euro?
Denomination.
Denomination.
It should be denomination.
All right, the Euro has 2 by the sea, but our own has these 2 across Manila. So that's where this sign. So this is the money of Biafra. So by the time we have our bank you are going to be seeing this sign as the Naira, like, of course not Naira, like dollar. Well, we cannot be using Naira to,
Never.
Ourselves. So, just like Euro is, this is our own denomination and how our money will be written. The Biafra money is this. And as you all know, this coin is going to be equal to $1.
Hallelujah.
This Biafra coin will be ready in 1 week time.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, and do not forget to share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Let us know what you think for the video where Nigeria Army released, and let us know what you think for the coin where they come. I hope you are going to invest or put your money in this particular coin. Let us know in comment section. What do you think that is happening in the north? Is the thing where they do for east now that they receive the payment for inside north? Share this video. Thank you.